Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you read Instagram DMs without leaving a scene and even open the whole conversations without them knowing, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're going to be using the Instagram mobile application, we need to get something out of the way. So first, open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, search for Instagram. And once you find it, you need to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. So once you update your app, you can finally quit the store. And usually once you receive a message on Instagram, you'll get a notification in your status bar or your control center. If you swipe down from the top, you'll find the messages right here. You can check them out here, or you can extend them by long tapping on the conversation or on the notification. And here you go. You can even extend it even more by long tapping on each message individually. And here we go, guys. You can read the message from here, and they can never tell that you have done that. Now that is the first method. For the second one, we need to open the app. So go ahead and open the Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. And then tap right here in the top right corner on the messages icon to open the conversations. Now if you go ahead and directly open a conversation right here, you can actually leave the scene on the conversation and they will know that you have read the messages. So to stop that from happening, you need to go ahead and turn on the airplane mode on your device first. So once you do that, you can go ahead and open the conversation like this one right here. So now I open the conversation and read the messages, and to prevent them from knowing that I have done that, I need to quit the application completely once I'm done, and then I need to uninstall the Instagram application without turning off the airplane mode. After that, I can reinstall Instagram and log in, and they will never find out. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.